Is like this. See, you must have seen this copyright logo. That means this is applicable to this company only. You cannot use this company is copyrighted. Now no else one can use this company name or any of the manufacturing material or nothing can be used by other company if you are using by this company. Okay, it is very important to realize that emails are subject to copyright laws. Just because it is relatively easy to forward an email does not mean it is always legal to do so. This is also true of any attachment sent with an email. If you are sending any attachment with the email, it has to be appropriate. Printing, copying or forwarding emails is generally not considered a breach of copyright unless the sender has indicated clearly that the message is confidential or the subject of copyright law. See, now you are sending some email. An email it has to be under the copyright law. You should not overrule it. Overrule meaning the copyright is given to that company. That company is under the copyright, so you cannot use the same company name for the other product. If you are using Lay's wafer, so you cannot give the Lay's name to the other wafer product. Okay, the name of the Lay's wafer should be for the Lay's only. If you are eating other wafers and giving the Lay's name, then it is against the copyright rule and you can be imprisoned in the jail. Any dissemination of copying of this email or attachment is strictly prohibited unless you are the intended recipient or are responsible for delivering the message to the intended recipient. If you have received this email in error, please let us know. Then delete the original email and any attachments. It is common for the message to then make some statement that the views and opinions in the email may not represent those of the company and that the contents may be subject to disclosure under the Freedom of Information Act. Companies are clearly very concerned about any potential risk of copyright infringement. If you are not obeying copyright rule, you can be imprisoned in the jail. It has to be according to the rules. The email attachment should be appropriate. The company logo you are using should be the appropriate company only. For that particular company only, you cannot use any other company. These are the copyright rules. Okay. Now, security and password. Another thing we are looking for, the security and the password protection. Security and the password protection. What do you mean by that? It is very important to consider the security of emails. See, if you are confidential emails you are sending to from one company to another, and if it is not been secured, anyone can see your emails. If you are working in certain company and you are sharing some money related matters or any related which is very important, and you are sharing on the email, and if it is not secured, then so security and password protected it has to be done using strong password. When logging on to your email name, your pet dog is a weak password. If you are using your pet dog is say Tommy, and you are using this password, is not applicable, because anyone can crack your password. Password should be highly confidential and strong password, not weaker one. This is weak password. Anyone can share anyone can crack your email address. Changing password on regular basis. Now, if you are using your password, say you are ABC 123, the password can be letters and numbers together, only numbers also, only letters also. Okay, and like this also 1 2 3 ABC, first numbers then letters, first letters then numbers, any order you can put it. but frequently you have to change your letters and numbers, change your passwords. On regular basis you have to change your passwords. Using spam filters to remove suspicious emails to a junk folder or even to block the email entirely. See, now if you are finding any spam mails, you can put it in the junk and junk mail, and you can permanently you can block that particular email. Whoever sending you spam mail, you can permanently block them. Running antivirus and anti-spam software at all times on your computer to protect against emails from unknown or malicious sources. See, you have to, there are many antivirus products available in the market. So you can upload antivirus software in your computer or in your laptop, desktop, mobile, and regularly you have to get it clean. So for it reduces further harm, and our data will be safe for the longer period. Another topic we are going